Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ukonrat ki sangma haga khat saw tarik lebe. Ulapan ko burom bat ai ka jingithuh ya ki nongrwai bat nongtem. Ki baladan ha ka ni ka menta la palat khat san snem kanthi. Ha ka jingalang jong Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2. Kabala long hapo marriage long ha ka jingadan lang uklur bapaw nam ka Bollywood u John Abraham. Kini ki basya apan ko burom ki day uteng nang sangma. Gracel Robme, Starly Shulai, Felix Langste, Sinda Sangma, Amabel Susngi, pat Desmond Rimaki Sun. Batla palat pat baru ya kawe kakat kabala tipkum, The Songs of Our People, kabala tho da u Anurak Banerjee. Habakran ha ka jingalang ukonrat ulapan kan mau ya kipor ki balaletno, kiba udan ya ka jingsngau tanat ha ka liang katem kaput kum usamla. Bat ba kita ki jing ang not bat jing trang ka jong u kidang yai dan sa ha ki jing mut jing perkhat jong u menteri rangba ukwa ba ki nongtem bat nongrwai ki badang khna ba ken shim ya ka jing arab ki jing start technology bat ban kan jo sha ka wei pat ka kardan ha ka liang karwai bat ka tem kapun la ong ba ka MG MP na lor ba ka pli ya ka ransan na ka benta ki samla nongtem nongrwai kala ru ban petendenti ya ki halor ke jingtep ki bayadei bat ki kam tho bat thau jingruai khnang ba ki nongtem ki jongi kinla ban ya shimenta ha kata ka rukom kabaya ha bat ki wei pat ki kinhun jongki ri ka perthei ulaya thu ru halor ka rukom a jingkershan ya ki kinhun da ka jingkershan pisa khnang ba kinla ban thiet ya ki tiartem tiarpun ukonrat ha kani kasngi ulakular ru ban penyo da ka Ibanez gitar sha uwe unongtem ubadan jingduna hagi department ubalapan iya kala kasap kapong ha kate ka jingalang bat ulapan paw ha menteri rangba ya ka jing ang not pandan ka wei ka gitar ka MGMP season 2 nado balas dang ya ka ha ka saw tarik risau arajar arpulai kalala ban pelong hadu hinyo spotlight po ki program hakeleng ka jaka ya ka balawan ban shimenta da palat 1000 ngot ki nongrwai bat nongtem kajing yo kamay jong ki nongrwai bat nongtem kalakio na ka 10,000 hadu khat ar hajar tingka ha ka wei na ki program jong ka season 2 ka MGMP season 2 nadu balas dang ya ka ha ka saw tarik urisau ar hajar arpulai kalala ban pelong hadu hinyo spotlight po ki program hakeleng ka Jylla ya ka balawan ban shimenta da palat 1000 ngot ki nongrwai bat nongtem kajing yo kamay jong ki nongrwai bat nongtem kalakio na ka 10,000 hadu khat ar hajar tingka ha ka wei na ki program jong ka season 2
God has given me this opportunity to serve the state, to serve the people, and to be able to make this small but maybe significant difference in the lives of the musicians of our state. And so we are very happy, and maybe you can say the grassroots program that we're having is maybe one of the most satisfying programs for me, because I really see and feel the impact that it has, and to be able to make a difference in the lives of our young musicians and the youth in general really gives me a great sense of satisfaction, I must say. Second, of course, the music scene is very different today from what it was during our times. And I still remember, trying to figure out the notes of, some lead that had to be played once again and again and again. And, we all, to save the battery, we used to rewind it with pencil and all that stuff. So I'm sure you guys remember, some of you will remember those moments. And today you have YouTube, where you can just learn the keys, the solos, which we used to struggle to just even get a note of what it was. And of course, we didn't know what scales were. We just used to play as per whatever we could understand. So that the landscape has changed. There's a lot of technology now and a lot of opportunity there. And really, I would want our musicians to now start engaging at that level with the use of technology, with the use of different tools, and taking music to a new level. And therefore, it's a great time to be a musician. You have access to a lot of support from the government. You have a lot of access of technology today that can help you really, improve. But yes, there are some gaps. And I would be happy to listen to some of you. If not today, then you can always write to me. I am a very accessible person, I can tell you. And you can always share your ideas and thoughts on how maybe we could improve this particular program and make it even better. But I was sharing with Cyril and some other people in the last program that we had. So you may not know this, but like we have come out and Mr. Banerjee has come out with this book, The Songs of Our People. Similarly, just about a week back, we have come out with a book on the treks of Meghalaya. So the natural trekking routes that we have, people actually don't know those treks. So we made a book on the trekking routes that are there in Meghalaya. We made an app where we could, somebody could download and see those particular treks that are there and actually walk those treks. And we trained about 113 guides by taking them to different parts of the country and training them about what trekking is, what tourism is, and how they could create a livelihood out of all of this. And when I was there in that program, I mentioned to our tourism director that while we are providing the skills, it is also important to provide the tools to be able to then implement those skills. For example, as I was saying, that suppose they are trekking somewhere and maybe the tourist who the guide is guiding decides to actually stay over in the forest and say, well, can you spend the evening in some nice location? And they don't have the tents with them. Or say suppose the tourist wants to have a nice cup of tea or coffee and they don't have the tools to provide the tea and coffee.
Meghalaya tourism, which we so proudly wear on our jersey. I hope our association continues for as long because we're so happy to have you. And it's not just about another association. It's because you stand for the right reasons, it's right causes, and we're very honored to have you. So thank you so much. And to all the artists out here, keep living your dreams. You're very fortunate. In my time, I probably didn't have the support of governance and of systems and of structures to help me in my processes and my dreams. I always wanted to be a football player and I could not become one. Today you've got the opportunity where the Honorable Chief Minister, being a musician and a fantastic musician himself, is here to promote and push each one of you. I would say, take advantage of this situation, make the most of it, go out there, play your hearts out, enjoy this art and this talent that you really possess and have a great time. So thank you once again to all of you. God bless you.